Nah. Like I was saying. Well, screw this. Let's make me a better sword. Let's get more stuff on this sword. Let's get more stuff on this sword. I'm sorry. I'm weird like that, okay? You're gonna find out. Oh, yes. You're stupid. Punch. Punch you in the face. I don't know what flame is. I mean, there's already fire aspect, but I'm sure that'll come in handy too. Affinity, sharpness, smite. Never been sure what that is, but I'll take it. Aqua Infinity, Respiration, Blast Protection. Why would I want that? Fire Protection, Protection. I don't want protection from stuff. Ooh, not that. Ooh, yes. Tiny little nubs. There's the holy anvil of life. So yeah, now instead of just hitting the chicken, it'll hit the, instead of hitting the chicken really hard, really sharp, and catching it on fire, it'll send it flying back and other stuff. Supposed to be tiny little nub, because there's one. Stupid. There's tiny little nub. Wait, before I lose anything else, I could knock back on it. I haven't lost anything. It's not taking anything off the list. There you go. It's got all of them. Ah, this is gonna hurt. Chicken? Well, I'm warning you. This is gonna hurt. Hey, you better run. You better run. You better run. You know I'm gonna find you on Blade. Blade is faster than anything. Faster than Ocelot. Faster than Flash. Even though Rocky doesn't think so. He is. And he's stronger than Rocky. Well, technically Rocky's stronger. But he's more OP than anybody at all. In this universe or any of the other universes. The end of this little spiel that I just said about how awesome I am. Yes, let's commence in the time day. Or is it time set? How about time 1000? I just said time set 1000. Oh, it is time. Time 1000. Time. How do you do this? Time day 1000. You know what? You know what? You know what? Dang it. That's not what I meant, but close enough. Oh, I got a weapon. Whee! Where's the shot? Where is it? What was I even looking for? Oh, yeah. Glowstone. Blocks of powder. Cousin Chaz powder milk. Ooh, no Minecraft name, huh? Powder! 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 Get out of my life. I hate you too. Woo! Or maybe I should get a beacon. No, I don't want a beacon. Sea lantern. These things are like, they're perfect. They're perfect. I guess they're for seeing underwater and stuff like that. But yeah, they're perfect. I hate you as well. Why is it not working as good as it used to work? I guess they work best in water, but I don't like water. So. Guess I'm not hurt by water even though I am fire. My only weakness is elemental cores. And I don't have a soul, so probably niceness. Yeah. What? Why is this not? This isn't as good as I remembered it. Gee, maybe I should make a giant tower of it going up into the sky. That'll teach them squids. Darn squids. Get out of here before I flick you off with my tiny little nubs. Okay, you asked for it, Yep, you better get out of here. No, don't leave me. I have to kill you. He's taunting me. There, right there. Yeah, why is it so hard to kill these things? Maybe I have to get underwater vision. Night vision. Oh, yeah. Potion of night vision. Potion. No, how about I just night. I've got underwater vision's not a thing. I'm stupid. I really am stupid. Night vision. Look at that water. Look at that water. If you're in survival, you just get underwater breathing and night vision. You see that? Hit him once and he just dies. Turns red, drops everything, and then a second later he's gone. Come here. Don't be shy. I hate you too. I'll flick you off with my tiny little nose. I'll flick you off with my tiny little nose. You guys better think twice before you come near my giant tower of awesomeness. I hate the water. This is why I hate the water. Darn squids. Trolling and stuff. Trolling is my job. Okay? It's my job. It's our job. People. It's a creeper. I'm gonna name you Bob. Just to prove this awesomeness, I'm gonna block this squid off with these. Now, I may commence. I don't know why I have to tell myself that. I need to set my spawn point. You guys will notice that all of my videos will be exactly 10 minutes, or maybe 10 minutes and 1 second, because that's my time limit on my screen recorder. I hope you guys don't mind. I can't even tell if these are casting any light at all. But I can't even tell if it's night right now, okay? But where the light's at, it makes it look so much more dark. I hate the rain. Well, let's start off with my cabin, because I'm awesome. I'm roommates with Copycat. Wait, before I do that, why would I do this first? Gotta make people first. I'm an idiot. I don't know what I should make Copycat. I know Rocky needs to be like a Gollum. God, why did that take so long? His name's Gollum. I couldn't think of what it was. Copycat. I don't want to make him a villager. He's not that weird. Not that weird. What's he look like? Why don't I start off with Rocky? Because he's the easiest one. Silver. Ignore the fact that I typed in some totally different word. This word is silver. There's no such thing as iron. It's called silver. And pumpkin. Pumpkin. Why do I keep typing? I mean, it's like that. And a name tag. Nam.